This is chicken cowboy stuff. This grass is, almost up. It's like 37 inches tall. And as you can see, I'm pushing the chicken tractor over it. And inside you can see it rides it all down. The hens are picking through it. They're putting manure on top of it. They dig some holes a little bit once in a while. We're moving this twice a day. We got another one over here with more chicks in it. Lots of little pullets in that one. They're putting a little more impact on the ground than that smaller number of hens are. It's bigger. But basically just putting carbon down and rolling over it. Wish you was having this good a day at Natural Grandma.